Hi there, I'm Katie Pavoso here at Pax8 Beyond 2024, and today I'm joined by Atul Bhagat, CEO and President of Base Solutions.
Thank you for having me, Katie.
Thank you so much for being here. It's great to see you.
Absolutely, likewise.
How's the event been treating you so far?
It's been great so far. I mean, it's been a packed morning full of a lot of information, but I'm excited to continue to learn more and see where things are going. One of the things I think is very unique is that you have such a global presence here. I mean, when you look at the number count, 2,500 attendees is ridiculously large. This is probably the largest conference I've attended.
Wow.
In all the years I've been doing this. But it's such a wide array of people and just knowledge that's here and available to you. And I think just getting that networking opportunity amongst all these different partners who've had different experiences with Pax8, but in general with solutions is far none the best experience you can have.
Talk to me about your relationship with Pax8. How long have you been a partner, and talk to me about how they've been able to help you grow in that
absolutely.
partnership.
We've actually been a partner of Pax8 for about 7 years now. So we were a very early adopter. And when I tell you they changed the market, they changed the market.
Wow.
When I talk about simplified billing, I used to have 40, 50 transactions a month of credit card transactions. I've won. And they've continued to evolve from that. And so they've been able to, create synchronizations amongst our billing systems. So now we're really it's all automated. We don't have to babysit our billing. And then you look at it from the partnership side. And, business is one thing, but how are they helping you grow as a business? And whenever I'm going to my reps as those, hey, I need X, Y, and Z, what I'm looking for, they're right there. And they're like, we're going to line up some meetings with you. Here's 3 vendors we think you need to look at. And boom, we're going through the process and we're already moving along. So they're always available and always been there to help us grow.
When you talk about Pax8 as a partner opportunity for some of your peers who might not be looking to them for their services,
Sure.
What do you say? How do you lead into that conversation to convince them?
I've had that conversation with certain MSPs that are some larger than me, some smaller. Be like, well, I'm getting more points from XYZ partner. I go, but what else are they giving you beyond those 4% in commissions that you're looking for? And I'm like, when was the last time you had a call with your rep? And they ask you, what are you trying to do as a business, or what are your clients looking for? And actually try to find you partners that fit those gaps. That's something that Pax8 makes a point to do. I meet with my rep every month to have that conversation and say, hey, where are you going? What are some things you're seeing your clients are asking for? How can we help you get to that next step? And that's something that's intangible that you have to point out and say, look, this is what's different.
And is that proactive on their part?
Absolutely.
Wow. Generally speaking, when you're looking at cloud marketplaces, the history of it over the last 2 years has been very hot and cold.
Yeah.
Now we're seeing it as a way that businesses like your own can leverage it to benefit you and help you. Can you walk me through your viewpoint of where you see cloud marketplaces going?
I don't think anyone's replacing us. I'll be the first one to say this. I do not think MSPs are getting replaced. I don't have that fear. If anything, I think we're in more demand now than we were 2 years ago. When we look at the way the market has changed, the demand on our services as we go upstream, if you will, into mid-size enterprise, all that, we're getting more demand for co-managed. We're getting more demand for all this stuff. So then why not have these tools such as marketplaces in place that are going to allow us to leverage those things better? Because you look at co-managed opportunities, they're sophisticated in a way that you still have IT people in-house that need to interact with products directly or do certain transactions directly. So if you can have a marketplace that you can say here, if you need to do this, you can go ahead and do it, but we're still here to support you on the back end. I think it's beneficial for everyone.